Hi everyone, welcome to our last chapter in the mini-series webinar of CRM, chapter 8 about reporting. So finally we came into the chapter where we can find out how to create reportings, how to see our insights about our CRM, about our sales, about our reps. So let's open up Monday and check out this example. First of all, what we see here is the sales dashboard that you have inside your product. Now, a dashboard is made out of widgets, so every square here that you see is a widget. Let's first of all create a dashboard from scratch just to understand how it works. So once we create a dashboard, we can name it however we want. So let's say we can call this team dashboard. We can make it main or private. And once we create the dashboard, we need to choose which boards will be relevant, what information I would like to present in this dashboard. I can choose one board or I can choose multiple boards. Let's go ahead and choose the activities board. Let's say I want to create some insight and analytics about all of the activities of my reps. Now, when we open up a dashboard, we can, as I said, add the different widgets. We can also go here into the widget center to see all of the widgets that we have available. Now, depending on what you want to see and how you want to visualize your data, you will choose the relevant widget that fits your needs. So let's say, for example, I want to create a chart widget to see how many activities we have in the activities board per month. Every time I add a widget, I will go into the settings of this specific widget and start adjusting it. So if we're talking about the chart widget, I can select which chart I want to show, a pie chart, a bar, a line, maybe a stacked bar even. So let's go with the stacked bar. Let's choose our x-axis. So what do we want to present here? We want to present a monthly report of and to see how many and what type of activities we receive each month. So let's go ahead and choose the date column as my x-axis. Let's choose to group it by month, and let's stack it by the actual activity. So I'm going to choose the status column and I want to see the activity type. So the y-axis for us will be the item count, so how many items we have per each activity. And as you can see over here, we now created a monthly chart. So we can see that in August, I had one phone call. In October, I had one meeting. In December, I had two meetings. We can also stack it by, let's say maybe if you'd like to see your rep, not necessarily the activity type, then you will see, well, right now I only have Dana, but you get the idea. It's basically super flexible. You get to see what you want to see, okay? And you can play with it. You can add additional widgets. You can rename the widgets, of course. You can filter out to see the widgets. Let's say if you only want to focus on what's happening this month, next month, and so on. You can save the filter and then the widgets will be saved like that every time you go into the dashboard. So now that we understood how to set it up, let's check out our sales dashboard and see what we have there. So this sales dashboard is connected to my deals board. So it gives me all the data about my deals. I have here the forecast revenue. And if we go into the settings of this numbers widget, we can see that it brings the data from the forecast value column. It's similar, we have here the average value of one deal. So again, it takes the actual deal value of our one deals. As we can see here in the groups, we are only looking at the group of closed one. It's not looking at all the deals in my pipeline. So we can see here the average one deals. We have here the sales pipeline according to the stages. What is the percentage of each stage that I have in my pipeline right now? This is the goal widget to show me the goal and whether or not I passed it or not. We have here forecast revenue by month, by stage, by rep, the deal stage, the revenue by month, and so on. And again, you can customize these widgets, you can add more widgets, you can add more dashboards and do whatever fits your needs. And over here in the bottom, we have this widget that explains all the widgets and all the capabilities. And of course, once you get it, you can delete it from this dashboard. Now that we understand how it works, I also want to show you how we can incorporate a dashboard on a specific view, on a specific board. So let's say if we go to the activities board, as we know, we have the main table over here. And by utilizing the views, we can also create a dashboard on the specific board itself. So we don't have to switch again and again between a board and a dashboard. Now, the difference is that with a dashboard like this as a separate unit, we can combine multiple boards. Like, for example, we can have the deals and the leads in this dashboard. And on a view, we can only attach it to the relevant board. So the activities will only contain the activities data. And of course, we can create such dashboards on the leads to see some analytics about my leads, about my deals, and so on. So I hope this made you understand how flexible, how customizable the platform is, and how easy it is to create a report. There is no need to submit a request. There is no need to know code. It's not complicated. It's user friendly, and we hope that you will take advantage of it and utilize it to yours and your teams. So that's it. I want to thank you so much for taking this webinar, for learning about Monday CRM. We hope that you found this helpful. We hope that you use Monday as a CRM and Monday as a WorkOS. And just as a reminder, we have our wonderful webinars page where you can learn more about Monday as a WorkOS, Monday as other products. And if you have any questions, please reach out to our support team. They are available 24/7, and feel free to read more about Monday in our knowledge base. We also added a link to this screen to a guide which is written step by step on what is included in the Monday CRM. Thank you so much for watching, and enjoy monday.com.